Clean your Blackstone griddle because it is dirty as Blackstone Clean Kit has everything that you need. You will need one dirty Blackstone griddle, one scraping tool, one eraser rock thing, one scrubbing pad. They do make a liquid degreaser that you can spray on here, but I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use what we have in the kit here. Get all that nasty stuff off there. Here we go. Elbow grease, y'all. Elbow grease. All right. I'd say we're about halfway there. We have a water bottle here. The griddle is on. A little bit of warmth here. I don't need it sizzling just yet. Grab my little brush. Yeah, we're making progress. This white stone on this black stone here does a pretty decent job. It almost acts like an old eraser. Bringing that grease up, just slides right off. Good stuff here. Plus, I think keeping it a little bit warm kind of gets that grease just kind of loose to where I can just wipe it up. And there we go. Just water, time, sponge, and heat. It's already starting to come away nice and clean here. Let's keep going. Okay, good enough for government work. Thank you for your time.